Um, excuse me?
Yes? Good morning.
Good morning.
You can relax. Take your time.
Thank you. I feel a little nervous.
I can see that, and that is okay.
Really?
Yes, this place makes many people nervous.
I thought it was only me.
No, it happens to everyone, especially when English is not their first language.
That makes me feel better.
You don't need perfect English here.
I'm scared I will say something wrong.
If you say something wrong, nothing bad will happen.
Promise?
I promise.
Okay, I will try.
Good. Trying is more important than being perfect.
I practice English at home, but here it feels different.
Yes, real life feels different.
My heart is beating fast.
That means you care, and caring is good. Let's do one thing.
Okay,
Take a deep breath.
like this?
Yes. Slowly.
Okay, I feel a little calm now.
Good. Now we can start. You are safe here.
Thank you.
You can speak slowly.
I like that.
No one is in a hurry.
That helps a lot.
So, tell me,
Yes?
why did you come to the post office today?
I came because...
It's okay. Think.
I came because I want to send...
Good. Keep going.
I want to send a letter.
Very good.
Really?
Yes, that sentence was perfect.
Oh, I didn't expect that.
Who is the letter for?
It is for my friend.
Your friend.
Yes, she moved away.
That can be hard.
Yes, I miss her.
That's why letters are powerful.
Yes, they feel personal.
Is that all you want to send?
No.
That's okay.
I also want to send a small package.
Excellent.
I said it correctly?
Yes, very clear.
I feel a little proud.
You should. Who's the package for?
It is for my sister.
Your sister.
Yes, she lives far away.
Another city?
Another country.
Oh, international mail.
Yes, that sounds scary.
It sounds big, but it's manageable.
I was thinking a lot before coming here.
About what?
About English.
Hmm,
I was practicing sentences in my head.
that's normal.
But when I came inside, everything disappeared.
That happens to many learners.
Really?
Yes, your brain is just nervous. But look at you now.
Me?
Yes, you're speaking.
Slowly, but yes.
Slow is perfect.
I thought people would judge me.
Most people are too busy judging themselves.
That's true.
English is not about speed.
It's not?
No, it's about clarity.
I like that.
Clear English is strong English.
I feel more confident now.
That makes me happy.
I didn't expect the post office to help my English.
Life is the best classroom.
I want to learn like this.
And you will. Now that you feel calm,
Yes?
let's continue step by step.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good. You are doing great.
All right. You said you want to send a letter and a package.
Yes, but sometimes I don't know how to explain it clearly.
That's normal. Let's say it slowly, together.
Together?
Yes, I'll help you build the sentence. Start with this. I want to send.
I want to send.
Good. Now add the first thing.
I want to send a letter.
Perfect. Say it again, slowly.
I want to send a letter.
Very clear. Now add the second thing.
And a package?
Yes, you can say, and I want to send a package.
And I want to send a package.
Excellent.
It sounds simple when you say it.
Because it is simple.
But when I speak alone, my mind becomes empty.
That's because you try to be perfect.
Yes, I do.
Instead, try to be clear.
Clear, not perfect.
Exactly. Now, let's make it more natural.
Okay.
You can say, I'm here to send a letter and a package.
I'm here to send a letter and a package.
Very good.
I like that sentence.
It's useful in real life.
Should I always say I want to?
Good question.
I ask many questions.
That's a good habit. I want to is polite and clear.
Okay.
I'm here to sounds confident.
Confident. I like that.
Confidence comes with practice. Let's practice one more time.
Okay.
Why are you here today?
I'm here to send a letter and a package.
Perfect.
I didn't feel scared this time.
Because now you have the words. Now I'll ask again.
Okay.
What do you want to send?
I want to send a letter.
Good.
And I want to send a package.
Excellent.
I feel like I'm talking normally now.
You are.
Not like a student?
Like a real person.
That makes me happy.
This is real English.
Not textbook English?
No, this is life English.
I want to learn more like this.
And we will. Now that your purpose is clear,
Yes?
let's move to the next step.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right. Now let's look at the letter.
Okay, this part makes me nervous.
Why?
Because if the address is wrong, the letter will not arrive.
That's a real fear.
Yes, I checked it many times at home.
Good. Care is important. Please place the letter on the counter.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
My handwriting is not very beautiful.
It doesn't need to be beautiful.
Really?
It needs to be clear. Let's check it step by step.
Okay.
Name at the top.
Yes, I wrote her full name.
Good choice. Street address here.
I was confused about this line.
That's normal. Many people get confused here.
I didn't know where to write the apartment number.
You wrote it correctly.
Really?
Yes, very clear.
That makes me feel relieved.
Good. Next is the city.
I spelled it slowly.
That was smart.
I was scared of spelling mistakes.
Everyone makes spelling mistakes sometimes. Now the postal code.
I checked it online.
Excellent habit.
I didn't want to guess.
Never guess with addresses. Everything looks correct.
Really? Nothing is wrong?
Nothing.
Oh, I was worried for nothing.
Worry means you care.
Should I write my address too?
Yes, that's the return address.
Return address?
Yes, in case the letter comes back.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That's okay. Now you know.
Where should I write it?
On the top left corner.
Like this?
Exactly.
I feel like there are many small rules.
Yes, but they're easy once you learn them.
I feel more confident now.
Because you are doing it step by step. Now tell me something.
Yes?
If someone asks you, is your address clear? What can you say?
I can say, yes, the address is clear.
Good.
Or, yes, I wrote the address clearly.
Perfect.
I like learning like this.
Because it feels real.
Yes, not scary.
English should not be scary. All right, your letter is ready.
Really?
Yes, you did a good job.
Thank you. I feel proud of myself.
You should. Now we move to the next decision.
Which one?
How fast you want to send it.
Ah, that sounds important.
All right, now we choose the service.
Service?
Yes, how fast you want the letter to arrive.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
That's okay. Most people don't. You have two options,
2 options.
regular mail or express mail.
Regular and express.
Yes,
What is the difference?
good question.
I like asking questions now.
That means you are learning. Regular mail is slower,
How slow?
about 5 to 7 days, but it is cheaper.
Cheaper is good.
Yes, cheaper is friendly. Express mail is faster,
How fast?
2 to 3 days.
Wow, that is fast.
Yes, but it costs more.
Ah, here comes the problem.
Money?
Yes, always money.
That is real life.
If I choose regular mail, will it still be safe?
Yes, very safe.
It won't get lost?
The chance is very small.
That makes me feel better.
So think about this.
Okay.
Is it urgent?
Urgent?
Does it need to arrive fast?
No, not really.
Then regular mail is a good choice.
I don't need it tomorrow.
Exactly.
5 days is okay.
Good thinking.
Can I change my mind later?
Before we send it, yes.
That's good.
After we send it, no.
That sounds scary.
That's why we think first.
I think I will choose regular mail.
Good choice.
I said it confidently.
Yes, you did. Try saying the full sentence.
Okay.
Which service do you choose?
I choose regular mail.
Perfect.
I didn't feel confused this time.
Because you understood the options.
Yes, slow explanation helps.
Slow English is strong English. Now the letter is settled.
Good.
Next, we talk about the package.
Oh, that one makes me more nervous.
Then let's handle it carefully.
All right. Now we need to fill out a form.
Okay. Forms make me nervous.
That's normal.
I always feel like I will write something wrong.
That's why we do it together. Take the form.
Okay. There are many boxes.
Yes, but we only need a few.
That's good.
Let's start with your name.
First name, last name.
Yes.
Should I write in capital letters?
Yes. Capital letters are better.
Okay. This line says address.
That is your address.
The sender's address.
Yes, you are the sender.
Oh, I almost wrote my sister's address.
Good catch.
I always confuse sender and receiver.
Many people do.
Sender is me.
Correct.
Receiver is my sister.
Exactly.
This box says contents.
That means what is inside the package.
Should I write gift?
Yes, simple and honest.
Okay. This box says value.
That means how much it costs.
Do I need to be exact?
An estimate is fine.
Okay, I was worried. Oh, I spelled something wrong.
That's okay.
Really?
Yes, just cross it out and write it again.
I thought mistakes were not allowed.
Mistakes are allowed. Panic is not.
I like how you explain things.
Because calm English helps calm thinking.
That is true.
Now sign here.
Sign?
Write your name.
Oh, signature.
Yes.
I feel like my English is surviving.
Not just surviving, it's improving.
Really?
Yes, you are asking clear questions.
I'm not scared of the form anymore.
That's progress.
I used to avoid places like this.
Now you are facing them. Let's check everything once.
Okay.
Name, correct. Address, correct. Contents, correct.
Nothing is missing?
Nothing.
That feels good.
You did this yourself.
With your help.
That's how learning works.
I want to practice more like this.
And you will. Now, one last step remains.
Payment.
Yes.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right. Now we come to the payment.
Okay, this part feels serious.
It is important, but it is simple.
I hope so.
Let me tell you the total cost.
Okay, I'm listening.
The letter with regular mail and the package with tracking.
Yes.
This is the total amount.
Okay, that sounds reasonable. Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Or cash?
Cash is also fine.
I like having options.
Everyone does.
I will pay by card.
All right,
I didn't feel scared saying that.
because you knew what to say. Before we finish, let's confirm everything.
Okay.
The letter is going by regular mail.
Yes.
The package has tracking.
Yes.
And it is marked as fragile.
Yes, it is.
Good. Now repeat one sentence for me.
Okay.
Say, everything is correct.
Everything is correct.
Very clear.
I feel surprisingly calm.
That's confidence.
I didn't expect this today.
Learning happens in small moments.
Can I ask one more question?
Of course,
When will the package arrive?
in about 7 to 10 days.
Okay, I can wait.
Good patience.
Will I get a receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
Keep it safe.
I'm proud of myself.
You should be.
I spoke English the whole time.
And you spoke it well. Remember something.
What?
Confidence comes from doing, not from waiting.
I understand that now.
One last thing.
Yes?
Next time, you won't feel this nervous
I believe you.
because you already did it once. Now, let's finish this.
Okay.
Your mail is on the way.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
All right. We're done.
Done?
Yes, everything is complete.
I can't believe it.
Why?
Because I was so nervous when I came in.
And now?
Now I feel normal.
That's the best feeling.
I didn't freeze.
No, you didn't.
I didn't forget my words.
You trusted yourself.
Yes, I think I did.
Tell me something honestly.
Okay.
Was English as scary as you thought?
No.
What was scary then?
My fear.
Exactly.
I always wait to feel ready.
Most people do.
But today I wasn't ready, and I still did it.
That's confidence. English is not about big words.
It's about small, clear sentences,
Yes,
like the ones we use today.
those are the most powerful ones.
I feel like I can come here alone next time
You can.
and speak English,
Yes,
even if I make mistakes.
especially then.
I wish I learned English like this earlier.
It's never too late.
I believe that now.
Let me ask you one last thing.
Yes?
What helped you today?
Speaking slowly,
Good.
not trying to be perfect,
Very good.
and not being alone.
That's important.
I think many people feel like me.
They do.
They just don't talk about it.
That's why stories help.
Thank you for being patient.
Thank you for trying.
I didn't give up.
And that matters more than anything. Before you go,
Yes?
remember this moment.
I will.
Next time you feel scared to speak English,
I'll remember today.
good,
English feels human now,
because it is,
not a test.
not a test. All right? You're all set?
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. I'm glad I came today.
So am I.